All right, let's break down the absolute basics of electronics, step by step. Even if you've never held a multimeter, you'll walk away a whole lot savvier. Electric current, flow of tiny charge carriers, electrons, like water through a pipe. Measured in amperes, amps. Voltage is the push that moves electrons. Think pressure in the pipe, measured in volts. Resistance slows the flow, like a kink in the hose, measured in ohms. Ohm's law V equals sine IXR. Voltage equals current times resistance. Power, the rate energy is used or transferred, measured in watts. Power equals sine voltage, X current. Simple. Circuits, bridge circuits, Wheatstone bridge, Wien bridge. Measure unknown resistance, measure unknown capacitance. Super handy in labs. Capacitance, how much charge can be stored, like a tiny rechargeable battery. Inductance, a coil storing energy in a magnetic field. Kirchhoff's laws, current into a junction equals current out. Total voltage around any loop is zero. These help solve circuits. Semiconductors, materials that switch between conducting and insulating. Backbone of transistors and diodes. That's a whirlwind tour of electronics. Dive deeper and you'll see the world differently, one circuit at a time.